What's up everybody? My name is Scott Wenger. Welcome to The Life of Scott, my YouTube channel. So, get ready guys, because I'm about to show you guys some cool things. So guys, this is my gaming computer. Sorry, my gaming and editing computer. Sorry it's a little clustered around here. Still getting it set up. That is my other computer I got that I've had probably for 4+ years. It's not a gaming computer, it's just, you know, a standard Walmart computer. And I'm happy with that. But we're not talking about that. What we're talking about is converting VHS movies in a digital format. Pretty simple. I recommend having a more faster computer to do this. However, I was using my old computer to do it, and it was working decent. Sometimes it would lag a little bit, but yeah, definitely recommend having a higher processor and more RAM and just a better computer. So let's jump right in. First of all, I'm going to go over stuff that you need. So first of all, you're going to need an Elgato. It looks like this. This is the Elgato HD60, and if you need to learn the name, there you go, Elgato Gaming. The Elgato 60 is awesome. I love it, and I recommend it for everybody. Next up, you're going to need at least 2 HDMI cables. I recommend 2 just to have one spare. So 2 HDMI cables. So you need the Elgato HD60 or another Elgato. The Elgato is a gaming recording device. So you can record live gameplay for like Xbox 360 and Nintendo and all that stuff. But I actually use this to convert VHS movies in a digital format. And that is pretty much what this video is about, is showing you guys. So let's just jump right into it. So you need an Elgato. I prefer the HD60 because it's lower on price and it does the job, especially for gaming videos and other stuff, but you can check out my other videos for that. I recommend 2 HDMI cables. They have that hookup. Then of course you're going to need a VHS player. You're going to need audio and video cables that have it on both ends. So the yellow, the white, and the red. So it connects into the back of the VHS player. The yellow, the white, and the red in the back. And then it also connects into this, which we're getting to next. You need an HDMI video converter. So this is what it looks like. I would recommend searching video converter on eBay or Amazon. HDMI video converter. I don't know if it has the model number here or whatnot, but if you guys really need help with this, just leave a comment and I'll find out the exact name of this. It's not that expensive. So you need this, and you need the VHS cassette tape that you want to use. And let's jump right at it and let's go. So you hook everything up like so. Hook your cables up to the VHS player. You don't even need a TV to do this part. Next, put the HDMI cable over here, and here you can also switch. Make sure it's a 1080 HDMI video converter. So you connect to the output, the HDMI, and that is connected to the Elgato, and that's connected on the side where you have this other cord here, which is the power, which is connected by USB port on the computer. Of course, have your VHS powered on. Now, you have to download the Elgato program from their website. It's free. and it would be game capture, and then once your device is connected it will put it on here. And then to start, you hit record down here. We're gonna go over here, and now we are gonna press play. And now it's coming on. I'm actually going to fast forward to the part that I want to start recording, which is the beginning of the movie. So guys, let me add, before you even play the video, make sure you go and actually see how long the video is going to be. Should say on here running time. See, 98 minutes. So make sure you write that down and you check your phone or your clock and see what time it is, and then calculate 98 minutes, because unless you want to sit there and watch the whole thing, you don't want to leave and then 2 hours, 3 hours come back and it's still recording and the movie's over with, because then it's going to keep recording until you press stop. So calculate each VHS tape, how long it's going to be, calculate it with the time, and then come back maybe 5 or 6 minutes before the video ends and watch it so you can stop it where you want to stop it. So again, we're going to put it in here and rewind to the part we want. Also, let me add, for this video converter you can change the setting where the green light is. I have it set at 1080 for 60. Let me fast forward this. So I have it set at 1080, 60 frames a second, and this can handle 50 frames to 60 frames a second if the output can handle it as well. So we're just fast forwarding the VHS to the point where we want to start. Keep in mind that it's going to record in the best it can, but you know VHS quality videos are not exactly the best quality like DVDs. So keep that in mind. But this whole setup that I'm doing, it records in pretty much the best that you can, unless you want to spend tens of thousands of dollars. And yeah, but for pretty much $200 and under, I mean $220, $230 if you count. Oh, and we went a little too far here, so we're gonna stop it and we are gonna rewind. And I'll watch the computer screen. Alright, we're gonna play and rewind it so I can actually see the screen. It might seem long, like this whole process that I'm doing now, but that's just because I'm recording the video. Alright, here we go. So turn the audio off so we don't get copyright issues. So there we go, we are recording it, and this is the movie Little Men from 1998. So it's 98 minutes long, and it's pretty much exactly 10 o'clock. So, come back in a little bit. If you guys need any help, please leave a comment and ask. I am happy to help you guys. Remember, make sure your computer has plenty of storage space left, because the file size will be fairly big. And I will also go through it and show you how you can make the file size even smaller with different programs if you guys want. But you need to ask me. Ask me and I can pretty much help you with anything you need. So take care, guys. And also, guys, it would mean a lot to me if you go subscribe to my channel. And also, click the little icon here to turn on notifications. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you guys get to see it. So, thank you guys very much, and enjoy the rest of the video, or check out all my other videos.